Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And you are new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I will see you in my next videos.
Glory or whatever you want to claim. So when you are doing outside the box, it's alarming. And if we are saying, if Brother Lati come to one and say, let's go and hire Bankole and Smith, Brother Lati go collect. I'm a Kaimo Dublin, I'm a chef wing, anything around that particular name at this moment. Arifa, nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ń sọ nìyẹn. Òun ló máa ń fà á. Tọ́mọ máa lọ máa dig nǹkan tó jẹ́ kó máa dig, kó máa misinterpret nǹkan nígbà tó sọ tó yẹ pé ó make sense. Ọmọ máa jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa rí, and that is part of fracas. So, my brother, you have said categorically that you are not working for Ada Universe, you are not working with Bankole and Smith or anything. There's no need to come on panel platform to give them soft landing. Let them do their thing and you do your thing, my brother. Please, I beg you in the name of God. You know, I heard you, even though, you know, say, we talk, and the same thing I said behind you, at the back, is it the same thing I'm saying now? To avoid unnecessary misinterpretation, let us end it and let us forget about it and stay focused. All these things is distraction. And I will keep saying, I don't trust anybody in this justice for Mohbad anymore. Before I used to, but now I don't. I only trust myself. I can only stand for myself, and I only believe in myself. And the day that I, like Ata, decided to compromise in this justice, man suffer long. Kakabe, mara lo werewe, ma lo pare sínú ayé. So, my brother, Abro Lanza for Mohbad. Tó bá dénú ẹ̀, ó máa di odindi. So, I love you. Let us desist from this and continue to fight for justice. God bless you all. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Team Lagata. Eshegon. Sir, who is that? Please hold on. Please hold on, sir. Please hold on, sir. Thank you so much. Like I said, Team Lagata, mo fẹ́ sọ lórí nǹkan kan tẹ́ ẹ sọ lẹ́ǹkan yẹn. Tí ẹ bá tiẹ̀ keep gbogbo friendship, ṣẹ́rí tó ní lápíópíó yẹn ó ṣe pàtàkì o. Ẹ má jẹun jábọ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o, ẹ keep wọn dáadáa. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ràn yín lọ́wọ́, ẹ rérè jẹ́bọ ọbẹ̀. Èrè ní rérè jẹ́bọ ọbẹ̀.
Ànírógun prostate cancer.
I mean, please let us all permit expounder.
Please, can I talk, please? Just a few minutes, please.
Who is that?
God protect Ejo. Mo kàn fẹ́ kí Arifa clarify nǹkan ni Ejo. Few minutes.
All right, yeah. All right. God's protection, Ejo, torí Ọlọ́run. Just hold on, please.
Sherry, lánàá nígbà tí Neomoni tó ń ṣe program yẹn, she was being sincere, okay, and she was playing the voice message that the woman dropped to another person. And along the line, this woman said, I will give the account, whatever, to Arifa to bring it out. And that was when Tony said, okay, play that part again. Enikeni Mongboni, I will give it to Arifa. Why Arifa? Now, Arifa is here. Arifa has made some clarification. Good. Now, if that party go long trend táwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ lórí káàkiri, Arifa, why did you think she mentioned your name? Pé you will be the one to bring out the account details for them to see that there was nothing wrong, that she has not done anything bad. So after that, then I will make my comment.
Thank you so much. Arifa, are you there? Do you want to answer the question or you want us to proceed on?
I am not going to ignore anybody. I'm too small to ignore anybody. If I know I don't want to answer question, I will not come. So the point is this. I listen and listen good to that voice myself. And I was forced yesterday to even call Ada. And I think she forwarded it to me, which I haven't even listened to from her. Direct. Which I have not. Direct. So the only thing I would just say concerning that voice note, expound that, sir. If you have it, maybe you can still play it here for all of us to hear. So I'll be able to tell you what exactly happens there. To me, it is nothing but just a slip of tongue. It is just a slip of tongue to me. So, if there's any other thing more than that, maybe we should listen to it carefully, then we can both agree on a particular stuff. To me, it's just a slip of tongue.
That's enough. That's enough. I think nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ gbọ́ response Arifa direct láàárọ̀ yìí lórí platform Dr. Latisneh bíbá yìí. I've said it. And what did I say? What I said was, now, this other universal person, drag on, and she was like, who is between? Who is in between? Tonle Muaz shield or whatever. And that was when she mentioned Arifa. And immediately she mentioned Arifa. On that voice message, go change it straight away. Even though he acknowledged that, change it straight away. Okay? Now, my position is this. Look, Tijuba Ibanshele.
Arifa, can you mute, please?
Yeah. So, Tijuba Ibanshele, yeah. Ó lè dárúkọ Arifa pé one, this is my own view pé okay, Arifa èmi àti ẹ̀ṣin sọ̀rọ̀ mo lè fi gbogbo kíní account details mi yìí mo lè fi rán Arifa ara yín ni, then she will deliver it to you. That is my thought, but that never said Arifa is working with them. But the intention tí wọ́n fi repeat that clip lánàá yẹn was pé Arifa ò bá ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú wọn, even Vengeance, all of them, pé pẹ̀lú nǹkan táwọn gbọ́ yìí is a confirmation, which is quite wrong for all of us. Láti máa sáré George, even tẹ́ bá gbọ́n tí ìyá Mohbad nígbà tí ìyá Mohbad dárúkọ bàbá Mohbad pé òun ló ní kán wá pa ọmọ sílé, tí bàbá Mohbad ló ní kán lọ pa ọmọ ni. Bó ṣe kò dárúkọ bàbá Mohbad láti implicate bàbá Mohbad. But nobody see it from those angles. Ṣé Prime tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sílé nígbà tí Mohbad kú ni? Why tí wọ́n sọ pé Prime ló pa Mohbad? But we all know táwọn kan bá fẹ́ go down, wọ́n fẹ́ drag ẹni tó bá ń drown, ẹni tó bá wà lómi tó ń fẹ́ momi yó, gbogbo ẹni tó bá wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ẹ̀pẹ̀ tó bá dì í mú ẹjọ́ ń lọ papọ̀ ni. We should always think outside the box. Tí issue bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ká má sọ pé a ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu eléyìí nǹkan tẹ́ni yìí sọ, that is the fact and that is what we are basing our judgment on. Because eventually tí ò bá wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ níbo lè fẹ́ fojú sí. Yet ẹni yìí ó lọ ṣe investigation, ó lọ ṣe léyìí, gbogbo wa la gbọ́, ó ti sọ bí yìí again pé each time tóun bá lọ eléyìí tóun lọ last yìí òun sọ fún àwọn Baba's legal team, wọ́n ní kóun lọ, ìgbà tóun dé òun report padà fún wọn what more. Tó bá fẹ́ ṣe anything separately ṣó máa tún sọ fáwọn yẹn even tí ó bá sọ fún any other person. So I think we have dwelt too much on this. Gbogbo nǹkan mi tó yẹ ká ṣe a ti put it aside, and this is what some people want to continue to happen, and we forget about them. And we forget about the main issue that we're supposed to speak on. So I think at this moment, this guy has said his mind. Òun ò ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú wọn, òun ò wà pẹ̀lú wọn. Even lánàá mo wà mẹ́ta reference pé òun tún ṣì ń expose wọn mọ́. There are some things tóun tún ṣe. So what more? But tá bá ti kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ message kan, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa farabalẹ̀ ká tó máa dwell on that thing pé tí ò bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ why tẹ̀ni ìdárúkọ ẹ̀. some other people ti dárúkọ àwọn ẹlòmíì tí ò sì ń bí issue tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ náà tó dẹ̀ continue láti dárúkọ wọn show right ni. So we need to be very, very, very careful, all of us, all the hosts. Yes, we need to do the facts.
All right. Thank you, Expander.
Expander. God bless you for that. Your submission on that particular voice note. Nígbà tẹ́mi gbọ́, genuinely, honestly speaking, yeah. Àwọn ẹlòmíì máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ńgbà mí. Orúkọ mi ló fẹ́ dá, wọ́n á dẹ̀ tún dárúkọ Lagata. Wọ́n á dẹ̀ tún sọ mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Sorry, it's not Lagata. They put at least 65% of people on this app have done it. That have even some that will be in the panel. They are talking about somebody else. So, one day you might dárúkọ mi. Even Bukky Jesse gone. It was a day he mentioned my name by accident. Not even my name that he wants, but because that name was going out every now and then. You have so like oh no Lagata Kini come man. You know it happens. But go to back feel the mo Arifa. One sọ fún wa pé òun ò ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú wọn. I have to believe him. Tó bá dé lè sọ fún wa òótọ́ fún wa, then that means he's a coward. So tá bá dé mọ̀ kò sí nǹkan tó lè bò láyé yìí lórí justice for Mohbad yìí. Ó máa hàn síta. Why not can we not have that benefit of doubt? Can one tell you more repeat here back to back? Pé Arifa, I will send it to you. Or you know, then you know. But that last word will change it for whatever reason. But Arifa, above all, let us just try and keep away from it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God's protection, can we have you? Sorry to delay you. God's protection.
Hello, good afternoon. Èmi ò sọ nǹkan, mi ò ní nǹkan méjì tó pọ̀ jù ni pé Arifa wọn ò drag ẹ̀. Drag ẹ̀ torí mo ti pẹ̀lú ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ Arifa lẹ́nu. Drag ẹ̀. The only thing tó wà níbẹ̀ ni pé a fẹ́ jẹ́ kó realize irú àwọn people tó ń fẹ́ lọ bá. Àti wípé woman yẹn, ẹ mọ̀ pé adult ni woman yẹn. Méjì, ó kọ́kọ́ dárúkọ Arifa lẹ́ẹ̀kan, ó tún wá padà tún dárúkọ ẹ̀ lẹ́lẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Òun ló jẹ́ kí èmi tiẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu. Ọ̀rọ̀ ló dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá wa F tí mi ní dárúkọ wọn tán kọ́kọ́ sue V tó jẹ́ pé at last V padà release the part 1B. Orúkọ yẹn tún padà tún jáde. Wọ́n tún wá fìtìjú karùn-ún tún sue V again ní 500M. So nǹkan tèmi reason ibẹ̀ ni pé tí Arifa bá ní any business, ó ti yé yín, pẹ̀lú àwọn kí náà ti ń pè é, adá olè, ẹ ti understand, kán tètè jára wọn, like kó tètè jára ẹ̀ kúrò lẹ́yìn wọn, torí àwọn people onídọ̀tí ni wọ́n, epo wà nínú àlá wọn, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tí bàbá àtìyá wọn ń ṣe táwọn ọmọ yẹn ti ká mọ́ bàbá àtìyá wọn lọ́wọ́ ni láti lẹ̀ wá, òun lẹ rí lọ́wọ́ wọn yẹn. Olórí burúkú dẹ̀ lélẹ̀, á máa wó lórí burúkú fúnra ní. That's the reason why everybody tá fi tètè ń pariwo Arifa pé kó kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀. It's not that we are dragging him, no. Drag ẹ̀, kí la fẹ́ drag ẹ̀ fún? Kí ni nǹkan tá fẹ́ drag ẹ̀ fún? Ó yà wá lẹ́nu náà ni nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ dàbí ọ̀rọ̀ òkè kan dédé rí mi lè nísìnyí. Èmi tó yẹ pé èmi ni tó yẹ pé tó bá ti torí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá, torí ọ̀rọ̀ Mr. Aloba, wọ́n ti sọ mí di màmá elépe of TikTok, mo dẹ̀ gba accepted, wèrè la fi ń wo wèrè, ó ti yé yín. So tó bá jẹ́ pé kan dédé wá rí irú mi náà, kí n dédé wá lọ máa sọ pé bàbá, kí èmi náà tún dédé wá máa ṣépè fún ọ̀tá wọn níjọ́ míì. Tán bá drag mi kò léèwọ̀, torí màá tètè wo pé ṣé kìí ṣe pé ògógóró ni mo mu àbí omi tí mo mu wọ́n fi tarí sínú ẹ̀ ni. Nǹkan tá a rí nìyẹn tá a fi tètè yá pé Arifa padà pé ń gbọ́ máa bọ̀ aláyé. Adá University dárúkọ ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mejì ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ tí kò wẹ̀yìn wò. Ó kọ́kọ́ sọ lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, we think maybe she make a mistake. Later on, ó tún padà tún sọ. Òun ló jẹ́ kí n wò pé Arifa, your name is there. Why torúkọ ẹ fi máa wà lẹ́nu 419? Torí àwọn people wọ̀nyí báyìí wọn ò tí ì mọ nǹkan tán kóra wọn sí. Wọn ò tí ì mọ yọ́yọ́ tán kóra wọn sí. Wọn ò tí ì mọ pátá tó wọ̀ di wọn tó máa ṣò wọ́n very soon. Public náà gbá. àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ tó ń ṣàárù lọ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ àwọn gbé GoFundMe lórúkọ òkú tó ti kú wọ́n tún fi òkú tó ti kú wọ́n tún fi ń fraud wọ́n fraud Mohbad láyé wọ́n tún fi òkú ẹ̀ bọ̀dá láti ẹ̀jẹ̀ bá mi gbé kinní yẹn kúrò níwájú mi torí ebi ń pa mí lọ́wọ́ tí mo wà yìí wọ́n tún fi òkú Mohbad wọ́n tún fi ń fraud again so òun ló yẹ ká ètè yá sọ fún Arifa pé kó tètè wo ibi tó ń lọ olè làwọn pípù yìí olè ni wọ́n àwọn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn gan la gbójúlé gan gbà yẹn bí irú àwọn Andy aka Bilikisu àwa ò mọ̀ pé Bilikisu náà tẹ̀lé Crunchy Queen Milikisu àwa ò mọ̀ a mọ̀ pé sẹ́ẹ̀tì àwọn mílíbílí ni wọ́n ká ní pé a ti mọ̀ ni a ti tètè yá lé wọn pẹ̀lú ẹ̀yìn Quran tán wá ń kà fún wa lójoojúmọ́ ń gbà yẹn àwa ò mọ̀ nítorí owó máa tán èèyàn ló máa kù ààrẹ̀mẹ́ni tó kù lọ́la ṣe la ní ká fọ orílẹ̀-èdè mọ́ Nàìjíríà máa dáa kò dìgbà tọ́lọ́run fúnra ẹ̀ bá sọ̀kalẹ̀ èèyàn náà ló máa rán ọ̀pọ̀ndí òbí VDM náà ṣiṣẹ́ ń ṣe báyìí àṣìtúrú àwọn tó tún ń ṣe lénìí ní ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ndí òbí Arifa náà sì tún ṣe ń ṣe báyìí ẹ má fi sọ kékeré ẹ má fi ba ìdí jẹ́ ẹ ti ṣe a lot you are a legend in this course ẹ mọ kan tójú yín ti rí ni kẹsẹsẹ wá torí owó kan how much is money owó máa tán èèyàn lé máa bí irú èmi báyìí mi ìfẹ́ mọye tó ti dé mi.
Excuse me ma excuse me whenever tẹ́ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹni tí ò bá ti ní evidence pé Arifa gba owó kan lọ́wọ́ Ada Universe láti bá ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa owó mọ́.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to àwọn bílíkẹ̀tì àwọn bílíbílí.
Because
Arifa, she said she's not talking to you. Can you mute? Let's hear out.
It's 6:14 p.m.
Àwọn tí wọ́n ti ṣe dáadáa ní ìta ti gbé lárugẹ. Wọ́n ti lọ náwó tán bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bú bàbá oníbàbá. Wọn ò dẹ̀ rí yẹn, wọ́n dẹ̀ sì ti
Sorry, I don't understand.
Kí lẹ sọ? Wọ́n dẹ̀ sì tún drag bàbá oníbàbá.
Mo fẹ́ béèrè bóyá ẹ ti ṣe tán ni. Ọ̀ya, tẹ́ bá ti ṣe tán.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ sì tún wá ń bú bàbá oníbàbá. Kò yẹ kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Kò yẹ kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìyanu á ṣẹlẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n dúró bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
All right, thank you. God's protection, aka small body, big engine. But I'll let you mute, on mute.
Okay. Ẹ̀jọ̀, ó nílé hold on. Mo ń gbọ́ yín.
All right, sir.
Okay, all right. Ẹ káàsán. So, mo ní mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sí nǹkan tí Arifa sọ ni. So, níbẹ̀rẹ̀, Arifa ò parọ́ because níbẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn, èmi náà mọ̀ pa TikTok. So, orí YouTube mo máa ti lọ wo Justice for Mohbad. Bẹ́ẹ̀mi náà ṣe mọ̀ pa Ada Universe yẹn nìyẹn. So, gbàtà Ada Universe yẹn, even ìgbà tí ó fi mú Arifa, tó arrested and everything. Ada gan kọ́kọ́ tẹ̀ fẹ́ wà involved. So, lady kan báyìí, ó dà pé Ọlá Rose lè bí nǹkan ló ń jẹ́. So, lady yẹn ló wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ Ada tó sọ pé pé kọ́ help Arifa pé torí Arifa wà ní he was locked up and everything pé kọ́ jọ kọ́ help ẹ̀ pé kí àwọn èké gbogbo èèyàn kọ́ dáwó. Mi ló wà pẹ̀lú àwọn tó dáwó fún Arifa. So, ìgbà tó dẹ̀ dáwó fún all send owó yẹn sí. So, when he was in there, it's true. Arifa was not even talking to them. Ó sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ help ìyàwó ẹ̀. So, ìyàwó ẹ̀ nìyẹn máa ń send owó yẹn sí. Ṣé ti yẹ yín? So, Arifa is not lying about that at all. And that's how I even knew who Arifa was. And with Arifa, nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ lò fún gbà yẹn because gbà yẹn náà Aries yẹn mi ò tẹ̀ mọ́ àti Aries Victoria lè ní mọ̀ sí ní gbogbo time yẹn. So òun náà wà pẹ̀lú àwọn Ada níbẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn mi rí lè mọ̀ kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó fi ń ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ mọ́ǹsìn but wọ́n wà together níbẹ̀rẹ̀ àti Suzy àti gbogbo wọn yẹn. So even Ọlá Rose yẹn ló sọ pé Arifa lè máa help àwọn láti máa fáwọn information tó bá ti jáde pé because òun máa ń fún wọn ní information kan tó arrest. So that's what that was. So Arifa is not lying about that at all. I knew all that process and everything going. I was aware of that.
All right.
So you're making clear out,
Thank
so
you.
okay, but because you can move on, everybody. Everybody. Okay, but because you can move on.
Hello. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
On the last
Mama
caller,
T, mute.
tábàdẹ̀ gbọ́ngàn tí Arifa sọ lóòótọ́, tí wọ́n bá fi làákà ìbá ogbọ̀rọ̀ tí Arifa sọ, òpùrọ̀ ló máa sọ nǹkan lọ́tọ́ máa kọ́ báyìí. Gbogbo tí wọ́n tọ́jú ọmọ mi jókè, wọ́n tuntun ní ìbà òótọ́ ni. Ṣùgbọ́n èmi máa jẹ́ kí Arifa kí wọ́n kọ́ ọgbọ́n látara ohun tí Prime Boy sọ. Prime Boy sọ wípé kí wọ́n bá bó lórí burúkú rìn, wọ́n á sọ ìbí lórí burúkú. Like I said, saw the same thing. So go tell me come out on nobody is dragging Arifa. Arifa is a gallant gladiator that we cannot toy to lose. And as such, boy Arifa shen lonye, o fe da pe won fe yegede, ogbe ta nso, ko ma ba shubu no ni. I still do not understand why. I want to take me man the benefit of the doubt. I'm going to expand and so. And people slip of tongue but nevertheless, Arifa should in this movement sleep with one eye open and one eye closed. It should be very careful because many people are watching him. God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Sorry, Aboy. Hold on. After now, you will talk, please, Aboy. So sorry, sir.
I just want to chip in something.
All right, no problem. Go ahead. All right.
Also, I want to come. Can we invite her to maybe only one or two things to first so because people don't call me by on call against the Arifa, please. Can you look into that?
What's the name, sir?
I don't get any money.
Imoli, I mean, because
more understand.
Invite so that I can't pano kini once and for all because mo ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ ó dàbí pé kini yẹn ò tí tán nú ẹ̀ ká mọ nǹkan tó wà nú ẹ̀ so kó tó pé ama fòtélé get invite here.
Yes, more understand, sir. Let me say this. Why I will now allow the next person to talk. Maybe we still have something to say also. Sherry, Awata trust Arifa, I trust Arifa. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan mean tó jẹ́ ká trust ẹ̀ náà ju wípé a dá a mọ̀ ara àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣe àti sample ẹ̀ àti rí ló fà tá a fi trust ẹ̀. Now, ẹ fẹ́ mú olè. Dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ sí camp olè yẹn láti lọ mú. I'm not defending Arifa. Are you getting it? Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ mú? Ṣé fẹ́ fi Bluetooth mú ni? Ẹ fẹ́ ṣe investigation. Fẹ́ lọ sí camp àwọn tó ń tagbó àbáwọn tó ń ṣe nǹkan yẹn. Dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe investigation yẹn. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ kàn fi sórí internet wípé àwọn ń tagbó ni? You get? Ẹ fẹ́ ra chicken and chips. Dẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ síbi tán ti ń tà lọ rà. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ rà? Dẹ̀ fẹ́ rán dispatch. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe? You get? Sherry, let's tamper justice with mercy lórí àwọn tó wà níwájú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe sùúrù. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Mo mọ̀ wípé bára ṣe ń ta yín ìtara ọmọ náà ni o, ìtara ajé ló ń ṣe a lot of people. I understand. But ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe díẹ̀díẹ̀. Ẹ get? A lot of people ló fẹ́ jáde gan yàtọ̀ sáwọn tó ti wà níwájú tẹ́rù ń bá wọn àti jáde wípé táwọn bá ń gbé ẹsẹ̀ yìí lọ tó ń right táwọn bá ṣe mistake kan wọ́n máa mú ṣọ́ àti amadani nail him crucify him náà máa sọ. Ẹ get? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ títorí Ọlọ́run ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kò sí béèyàn ṣe máa wà ó tí ò ní ṣe mistake. Tó bá dẹ̀ wá ṣe mistake tá a bá tètè dákẹ́ lórí ẹ̀ ó máa fẹ́ fa reason tí ẹni tẹ́ expect wípé kó lọ síwájú tí òfin ní lọ. Ẹ wòran báyìí, ẹ jẹ́ kí n cite example kan. Yomi Fabiyi wà lára àwọn tó front fún wa. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Arifa Ture ló tún dàbí pé ó tún fẹ́ next sí lọ́dọ̀ mi. Neimoli, please can you send a request please so that you will come up. Ló tún fẹ́ next sí ẹ tún wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Nígbà tí Yomi bá sún sẹ́yìn, Tarifa bá sún sẹ́yìn, who do we expect to spearhead this thing for us again? Who? So when they make mistake, let us caution them with love. That is what I am saying. Please, God will stand and win this thing for us. But definitely, ẹ mọ̀ pé yàn ló máa lò. Ẹ get? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ títorí Ọlọ́run. Ìtara ọmọ ni Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kí irú eléyìí kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kankan nínú gbogbo yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. We understand. Yes, Prime Boy.
mo ní ọ̀kan tó ní kẹ́ gbé sókè pé kó tó wá da ọ̀rọ̀ rú sí
yes mo ti sọ fún wọn consent request jẹ́ òwe ọ̀nà ti send it let me see.
ẹ ti already caution Arifa ó ti gbọ́.
ẹ má gbé anybody sókè.
àbọ̀wọ̀ tún lọ gbéyàn kan sókè ẹ tún fẹ́ wá gbéyàn tó máa prolong ọ̀rọ̀ yìí let's move on.
tẹ bá gbé ni mólì sókè ó ń hot lára ẹ má gbé sókè tó bá gbé sókè.
ẹni tó bá ń hot lára ẹ kó lọ sí platform ẹ kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Prime boy, let me say this. Naimoli, I am begging you because I know you are also one of the justice fighter. Please calm down. Ìlú gangan ni nǹkan tó kọ séèyàn kan kọ́ ló kọ séèyàn kan. You get? Just calm down. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ náà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kéèyàn kan bá mi gbé Gorexis sókè. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ náà ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Calm down. Let's calm down with each other. Let's be our brother's keeper. Please, just calm down. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Torí Ọlọ́run.
Yọ̀rọ̀bọ̀ máa gbé wọlé padà.
Boy, do you still want to say anything?
It's very rude person. Ẹ má gbọ́ sókè àní ìdùnnú ní mi. Lẹ́mọ́nì yẹn má gbọ́ sókè jù. Wàhálà gẹ́ yẹn pọ̀ gan. Ẹ má gbọ́ sókè máa ba gbogbo kọ́tà ṣe jẹ́ ni.
All right.
Boy, okay. Do you still want to say something before I will move to Westo, please?
Yes.
All right, can we have you?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, before boy, 1 minute. Boy.
Hello, brother Lati.
Hello.
Jọ̀ọ́ brother Lati, torí ẹ̀ la ṣe pè yín lórí ẹbí. Ẹ má sọ pé kó má gbé lẹ́yìn mójì sókè. Brother Lati ló máa bá wa parí gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn láti èní ìlọ kò sẹ́ni tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Brother Lati ẹ jẹ́ kó gbé lẹ́yìn mójì sókè kẹ́jẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀ kí gbogbo ẹ̀ kó parí.
Send the request ni mo ti ní kó send the request kó send the request tó bá send I will definitely pick her.
Ó jẹ́ má sọ anything mọ́.
Onílé o ẹ má Mr. Lóyèbí ẹ má bínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí mọ́mí yìí sọ ń sìn tán ni tó bá gbé woman kan sókè pé wọn ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ kò síbẹ̀ ṣe lè paná kankan téèyàn kan ò ní dìde láti sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ṣàmọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kí anybody distract justice yìí ẹ tó yẹ dì bá Arifa sọ̀rọ̀ Arifa ti gbọ́ àmọ́ tún gbéyàn kan sókè lèèyàn kan máa tún fẹ́ gùnkè ọ̀rọ̀ ń tàn.
All right. Ọ̀ya wo ni kókó sọ̀rọ̀.
Prime boy. Sorry,
sorry, hold on, sir. Boy, hold on. I am seeing one other universe to send the request. Is she the same other universe we are talking about, or what? But Lati, let me check.
Other universe. Show money.
Mo náà mo ṣe ń béèrè.
Mo ń bọ̀. Àbọ̀ yẹn ní àmì lọ́dọ̀ yín ẹnu ẹjẹ́ ń wo káwọ ẹni tó wà ń bẹ̀. Hello?
Yeah, Ada, can you unmute and talk to us?
Èmi kọ́ la dá universe o. Lọ́mì ìmọ́lẹ̀ leléyìí o. Ẹ káàsán uncle àti ẹ káàsán onílé ẹ káàsán everybody o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí n rọra sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀ kẹ́ gbé mi bọ́lẹ̀ padà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ jẹ́ ká parí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má gbé anybody sókè. Arifa ò kì í ṣe ọmọ kékeré. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ fún ó ti tó. Ṣé rí àṣejù tá máa ń tìbọnú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Òun náà ló máa ń fà á tíjà ṣe máa ń wà. Tá bá ti rọra sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀ tá ti correct ara wa, it is enough. Arifa ò ń ṣọmọ kékeré, ó ti jìyà justice for Mohbad. Kò wá gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ pé mistake kékeré wá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ká wá ti torí ẹ̀ ká wá sọ di èèyàn yẹpẹrẹ.
Ẹ̀yin náà lè fẹ́ bàjẹ́ àwa náà yanjú nǹkan.
Mi ò bàjẹ́ ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ẹjọ́ ẹ má gbé anybody sókè. Ẹ má gbé anybody sókè mọ́ Arifa ẹ ṣe Mr. Latiola.
Ẹ ṣé ma, thank you ma.